Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll unbox this USB-C hub by Amazon. Like it's an Amazon Basics USB-C hub. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing video. Yo! Okay, so as you can see, this is the packet from Amazon. Like, let me first, open it. Okay, so this is a packet from Amazon Basics. It's a USB-C hub by Amazon Basics. So this is the main thing, like you don't get any kind of paperwork or anything. So you only get the USB-C hub. That's it, I guess. Nice. So as you can see, it's a complete metal build. You get a full size micro SD card reader and a normal small micro SD card reader. You get a USB 2.0 port, then you get a HDMI port, then you get a USB 3.0 port, then this is a type C port, and this is a type C power delivery port. So if you want to charge your laptop or phone, then you need to use this port. And like whenever you plug this this device, then there will be a small blue LED indicator. So and this, like the USB-C port is like covered by this, so that's a nice little touch. So if I just show you, so if I connect it to my phone, as you can see, the blue light is glowing. If you can just, yes, and if I disconnect it, the blue light stops glowing. Okay, so let me just again connect it. Okay, then if I just connect one pen drive, so if I just connect this pen drive, I don't know why it didn't work at the first time. So it's showing you 2 USB storage. That's because this is a bootable USB drive. And if I just bring a normal USB thing, then and plug it in, then you can see it's showing just 8 GB. That's because it's not non-bootable drive, like it's not bootable. So yes, so and you can see this thing is glowing, and yeah, And like, if you just take a close look over here, you also get a RJ45 connector, and you get a clean, you get this side is totally clean, so the ports are only on one side, and at the back that is the RJ45 connector. And yes, that's about the unboxing, and now let's move on to the main video then. So as you saw the unboxing video of this Amazon Basics USB-C hub, and I'm very much sorry that I couldn't show you the speed test. That's because all of my pen drive are actually USB 2.0, and I don't have any USB 3 supported SSDs or pen drive. So even though if I do the speed test on USB 2.0, the speed test would be completely false, because to truly show see the actual speed, transfer speed of this thing, for that I need actually a USB 3.0 device. And since my laptop is a my laptop has does support 3.0, this thing also support 3.0, but since I don't have a 3.0 device like the SSDs, so I cannot show you the true speed of, or like how much speed it can transfer. So yes, and that's all about the unboxing video and the first look of this Amazon Basics USB-C here. So if you do like this video, then give it a like and share it with your friends, and if you want more tips like this, then do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.